Hello to this blood clot Haitian maga drunk crow.
Welcome to Foot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless all love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line. Speak up on yourself. Anyone that will love and blessings, we say give thanks to life. Give thanks to another day. Life is the greatest. Cherish each moment. You see me? Big up all of my fans them. Yeah man, all of the newcomers them. Welcome, make yourself at home. Zine, please consider to subscribe and click the bell. You get to me and say, yes man. Now my viewers and subscribers, and one love is right across the world, no matter the race or the creed. Same equality, diversity. Yeah man, do remember my viewers and subscribers, we're going to talk about this lady here. This empress here from Jamaica. A proper cuss out, the Haitian, I must say Haitian doll or she want name. So I see it go around. So I finally get a video. Zine, I'm going to tell you a proper cussing. I don't approve of it. Yeah man, that's very distasteful. Zine, so we're going to hear the cussing. You don't know. Do remember this vlog is sponsored by Prince and Genius Butchers. See, Jamaican Butchers. Yeah man, 151 Ryle Lane. Yeah man, you meet them fresh and full of flesh. See, go and support them. A Jamaican business, go and support them. When them know I am a client foot. Say no. Zine, yeah man, Prince and Genius Butchers. Yeah man, them do the thing man. Meet them nice and clean and halal. Yeah, so me I say, yes, I don't know you have the other part in the shop where you can get your Jamaicans bits and pieces them. Yes, you get to me and say, yes. So my viewers and subscribers no long delay. Hear that girl how she cuss and go on. Very distasteful and disgraceful man. Here we go on. Yeah man, and let me warn you before, our mouth is filled with profanities, you know what I mean? Only pass bad word and them thing about. As me say, she can proper trace, me not lie. But here we go on.
Hello to this blood clot Haitian maga drunk crow. Dog shit. Are you me come blood clot boat? Girl, you know not to have a proper blood clot airport. No embassy now give you a visa for come a blood clot Haiti. Remember say I go on a swap for blood clot food. Angry now girl, don't fuck your blood clots that when you come up to we with nice clean wood and water well surrounded. Uno full of red dirt no blood clot. Haiti. Zinc cost are the best blood clot friend. Remember say we provide and supply you with food. And weed. Remember good now? We don't supply with gun. We don't want a gun. Gun can't blood clot eat. Look there. Aki tree, all type of tree. Me just a spin. Haiti. Angry good on my girl. Don't bomb. Haitian. We reject you. We don't like you. No. Stop come a blood clot Jamaica. We don't run.
Okay my viewers and subscribers, first let me apologize again for the bad word them were cuss up and all of them things. Let me try to edit out some of them, you know, but yeah. How do you feel after listening to this young, black, beautiful lady expressing herself like that? How do you feel? Me, I feel embarrassed. If you know what I'm saying, my fellow Jamaican sister, a cuss another Caribbean country, you know what I mean, our own black ethnicity, Haiti, the next door neighbor. What could have caused all of this? Is it because it's a viral she want? No, she said something where it's factual, but she make it known to the public and to the world. Say, you know, some people were in a doubt and a ear, so them confirm it now, like the gun trading and the weed and them sitting there and blah blah blah. You know, I think this is very belittling, atrocious behavior. You know what I mean? I don't like it, you know. But you don't know, proud to be a Jamaican, I'm going to say, yo, equality, diversity, equity, love, unity. See, so she cussed the girl named Asian doll. Asian doll, I don't really know her still, but yeah, you know. So, I say, I will put a video out the people are cuss and people are commenting and cuss 80. Cuss 80 for what? Jano Star. This is embarrassing. You know, she mentioned zinc fence and red ground. And you know what, you hear a man who on the back there, one man who on the back, in the background, I tell her if you say, red ground and all of them things. They come here listen to the video and I hear the man voice. You know? And these are things, that's why we say, think before you act. Think before you chat, because right now I know she could have seen this going viral and I'm regretting herself. The way how she disgraced Haiti. How the Haitians them would be looking at us Jamaicans and say, yeah man, typically Jamaica, I saw them go on, vulgar, go like them are the best. You know, we are the fastest runner, yes, and musician and them thing there. But we still have to show respect to our fellow Caribbeans island them and African island, you know? We are all one. You see me? I go Benin where they are, I learn the history of African history of Benin and the slave trade with France, the French them. Benin is one of the first country where civilization fight for them freedom. You see me, and them independence. Benin, Martin Luther King was in the gang of 5 or gang of 7, one of them, 7 of them I think. You see me? And I was so feel proud and privileged. Tears come in my eyes when we got the slave ground and them things. As he said, 84th. You see me? Freedom. They were the first country supposed to get them freedom and them independence. So this girl here, you know, this lady here, really she act foolish, make herself look stupid style. We know if you cuss one another and disgrace about zinc fence. Jamaica have a whole heap of zinc fence too. Look how much zinc fence house there Jamaica up to this date right now. Some people could have upgrade and move, you know, build up wall and them thing upon them zinc fence and them thing, zinc house. Jamaica still have a whole heap of zinc house, board house. You know, someone say, what is for? This is uncalled for. As I say, maybe she just want a viral, so she a cuss, and you have the man in the background. I tell her what to say. About the weed and the gun and the red ground and all of them things there, you know. These are just waste talk, and as I say, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you're thinking in the comment section after hearing her or she cuss, but me not like she can cuss. Every take bad thing and laugh at this time. I want to get Jamaica woman and can cuss in and then take things and tell you. That is why you have to be careful who you take things from and who you tell your business, because they may take it cuss you and tell you. Yeah, the girl are cussing and talking the thing them. Look for Aki tree and all of them sitting there. No sir. But we do good for people, we don't have to talk about it, man. They do good and you help somebody, you know. And people, if you don't have any more videos out there with people about cuss Haiti, try make me get them, you see me? So I can watch them and think. But this is the first one. Me see, I've heard about it, and me I say, really? So this is really bad, this is really vulgar and out of order. And that is just my view. You know what I mean? And my lady, if you listen to this vlog, if you come across this, fix up yourself, man. I think you should do a public apology to the Haitians, them. You see me? Because you're this Asian dollar name, but you're this in the country. You're this in Haiti and you make Jamaica look bad. According and based on your behaviour, your piggish mentality, you know, unscrupulous behaviour and your utterance. It's wrong, unacceptable. From Lionfoot. You see, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. But yeah, man, I go love you and live on guidance and protection. See, be safe out there. Yeah, I beg you, please go check out that song, yeah, and give me some feedback in the comment section. Saying, yeah, man, a brand new song. Me a praise. Seeing, yeah, you don't know, I'm out. I remember your support is highly appreciated and you don't know, gratified. Yeah.
Violence increase. The youth them find it hard to live in peace. Every day someone bloodshed on the streets. Every day someone lying dead on the tough concrete.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.